U, or a parabola. It's centered, this parent function, such that its vertex is right here at 0, 0. And if we wanted to, we could easily plot additional points. I've already plotted 3 points for you so you can begin to see the parent function. So the function is x squared. So for any x value, say 0, if you were to square the function, or 0 squared, is obviously 0. Squaring 1 or negative 1, because you're squaring it, you always end up with positive 1. These are the 2 points that I've already plotted for you. Let's take a look at how you would plot the parabola. What are the outputs for plus or minus 2? So it doesn't matter whether it's plus or minus 2 because you're squaring it. If you take plus or minus 2 and you square it, you get 2 times 2, or negative 2 times negative 2. But either way, you get a positive 4. And so if we were to plot those additional points, we get a point here at negative 2, 4. And we get another point at positive 2, positive 4. Our parent function, x squared, looks like this. Now what we'd like to do is translate the parent function, and this is by 2, negative 5. That means that the horizontal translation is by 2, and when it's positive like this, it's to the left, 2 to the left. And minus 5 means 5 down. So we're going to go 2 to the left and 5 down. Remember, it's counterintuitive when we look at left or right. So when it's positive, you might be tempted to say right. Don't do that. It means left. All right, so now what we're going to do is we're going to actually translate this. One easy way to translate a parabola is to begin by moving its vertex. So the vertex was at 0, 0, but we're going to be adding or translating the vertex. So you could do it just this one. If you wanted to translate this vertex, then what it would look like is you're going to take the vertex at 0, 0, and you're going to go over 2 and down negative 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so that your new vertex is down here. You're translating, you're not changing the shape of the parabola at all. So using symmetry, you could go over 1, up 1, over 1, up 1, just like the original parent function. And you could begin kind of going over 2, up 4, over 2, up 4, and you've effectively moved the parabola to, or translated it so that it's now situated at 2, negative 5. Now, what would the actual function look like? So this is the h, the 2 is the h, and the k is negative 5. And so if you go back and you look at the original expression that we have an h and a k in it. Remember, it's x minus h, the h value is being done to the x squared, plus a k value. This is the shift up. And this is the shift right or left. So we know what those values are. So we could simply stick them in. We'd get x minus 2 squared minus 5. And so the function f of x with that translation would look like this. Look like that.